Part 10. We're done, okay, with the series of removal proceedings, strategies, defenses, and so forth. We're done. This is the last video on that subject because we want to focus next month on live sessions where we can address some latest immigration news and we can answer some of your questions next month. Okay, the month of December will focus more on live sessions where you can ask your questions live. We might even give a link in case you want to ask your question like live. We put a link there so that you can ask your question live. Okay, we're done. This is the last topic. Why are cases being decided faster nowadays? What is the reason? First, when it comes to removal proceedings and asylum cases, most cases are being decided faster because of this notion of pretermission. Okay, that's the number one reason. What is pretermission? Pretermission simply means that the asylum application or any type of application filed in immigration court or the one that was referred to immigration court is being pretermitted because of incompleteness. It's either incomplete, lacks merit, filed by a notarial. It's just on its face not eligible, not prima facie eligible for a relief. Then the immigration judge has no choice but to just pretermit. That's why you see a lot of decisions coming faster. Okay. Number two, what about USCIS? Green card based on marriages, when a person is not in removal, like a straightforward case, within 90 days it's being decided because they have a lot of people working on those. Okay. And they want to, because they're going after fraud, so they're assuming that people are applying are not fraudulent. That's why they're applying. And they want to make sure that it goes faster. And they're investigating faster. And because they want to detect fraud. So they want to go, if there's fraud, they can arrest, detain, deport. Okay. That's number two with USCIS. Another reason why cases are going faster, it's because of this plan of deportation. And because of expedited removal. Remember, expedited removal simply means that the person who has been here for no longer than 2 years and happen to enter by way of border, they don't have the right to a hearing before the immigration judge. The immigration officer can just decide on their case and expedite the removal proceedings. That's why some cases are being decided faster nowadays. But when it comes to those VAWA applications, I think it might go faster now because they say that they're going to, it's going to be based on the location of the person. It's no longer going to be based on the central center, like the Nebraska center. It's going to be based on the location of the individual. I guess it has to be brought to a different center. I was looking at where to file because I have 2 cases to file. It shows that we're going to send another one in Chicago. I guess yeah, it's just like it's going to go where the person resides. They're going to dispatch it so it can go faster. And they hire a lot of people for the purpose of deportation to support Trump deportation, mass deportation plan. That's why you see some cases are going faster. Let's see on appeal how faster it's going to go. What I know for detained individuals going faster, I filed an appeal on August 22nd. Then I got the briefing schedule for November 14, which was already filed. So we're waiting for the decision. It looks like it's going to come before the end of the year, right? So it's going faster for detained individual. For non-detained, if it's an interlocutory appeal, it's going faster as well. Before the scheduling of the next hearing, you just know you're going to have a decision. But for just regular appeals, after the end of the proceedings that still remain to be known. So let's see if those will go faster as well. But the Trump administration promised to go a little bit faster, so that's why it's going faster. Okay. Well, questions, comment, or issues that I've noticed. I've noticed that a lot of people are being placed in removal proceedings, or the people who violated their student visas. What's happening is that if your incident to arrest, if your arrest is incident to traffic violations, incident to a crime, you lose. If your case was pending with USCIS, you automatically lose. USCIS automatically lose jurisdiction. The case you under ICE custody. ICE has jurisdiction over your case, and your case gets referred to immigration court directly. Those are the cases with two individual student visa violations, but the reason they were arrested is for traffic violations. The other one was for some type of other crime. Although the asylum case was pending, which was filed on time and was pending with USCIS, it got preterminated. The case got referred to immigration court because now they are under detention, ICE custody. So the USCIS lost jurisdiction. So that's why it's going faster. That's another issue too. So got detained, got arrested. USCIS will lose jurisdiction over your pending case. Now you have to, unless it's like a I-130, right? Jurisdiction is always with USCIS. But if it's those asylum cases, USCIS loses jurisdiction, and you have to go to immigration court for them to decide on your the fate of your asylum case. Okay. I-130 is still gonna remain with USCIS, but still the person is in removal proceedings. That's the strategy that now it's a matter of strategy, how the lawyer is gonna come up with their strategies in terms of defending the individual. So those are the issues as to why cases are going faster. For those who notice their cases are going faster. If your case is not going faster, that's good news too, I guess. I guess that could be a good news. Let us know in the comment section, okay? Let us know in the comment section. Just know that we'll come back in December with live sessions to wrap up the year, talk about the latest immigration news, review the year, and see what happened this year, the policies that change, and what to expect for next year. That will be the topic for the month of December. Meanwhile, if you need a consultation, again, just go ahead, schedule it. Consultation links are in the bio or description box on YouTube. So we're here to help. Visit us, visit our YouTube channel, our other links, TikTok, and so forth, so that you can keep we can update you on latest policies, immigration news, and what to expect the year ahead of us. We are thankful that we're done with the series. At least we feel like we've provided enough information for somebody to have some type of clarity and to seek guidance if they need to. Until next time, bye-bye.